What is up, everybody? Welcome to this new video. In this tutorial, let's take a look how we can get used and create some designs for our phone wallets, for phone cases using Redbubble. So here into Redbubble, there are a few ways that we can do this. The first thing that I'm going to be showing you how we can do this, of course, is to create an account in Redbubble. It's going to be really simple, guys. The first thing you want to do, of course, is to go into redbubble.com, and once you are in here, you want to choose the option that says sign up. And it's going to be really easy after you sign it up. As you can see, we do have a lot of designs that we can choose. And as you can see, it says artists to follow, and you guys might be appearing in this section. So you might be wondering that there's a lot of people who are creating a lot of amazing designs. For example, this guy, and they're winning a lot of money. So this might be accurate, but this might be not that accurate. If you are actually wondering how you can start designing, there's actually 3 ways that you can design your own stuff, your own merch. Number 1 is that you can download in a specific editor. For example, here I'm going to go into Sketches by App Store. And Tayasui Sketches is an amazing place to actually start creating your designs, your actual stuff. There's a lot of ways that you can start designing your own ideas, created of course by Sketches. And the amazing part is that this one is totally for free. You can download this using a smartphone, a tablet, or a Chromebook. So the possibilities are infinite, and you can start designing your own stuff here to sell into Redbubble. So once you find an amazing place you can start designing, you have to download your designs. In my case, guys, I use this code. Now this code has a Midjourney bot that can be helping me to create some artificial intelligence ideas. So what I did here is to show you here an account where I have a lot of designs generated by the actual Discord server, the Midjourney. So for example, here I do have this design of a astronaut riding a killer whale navigating through the galaxy based on this image. So the computer generated me something like this, which I think is really awesome. So what I just did is to upscale the image and download that, and then later I can use this design to start selling my own stuff. So once you have a design, what you want to do is to go into Redbubble and you want to sign up. So it's going to be really easy. Just provide an email, provide a phone number, and then you have to verify that, and then you're actually good to go. Now, if you want to just focus into phone cases, what I want to do is to go into phone cases, all phone cases. In here, as you can see, I do have a lot of sections here. You want to focus into the best selling iPhone cases and take a look into the best selling iPhone cases. So take a look into the designs. I'm not attempting, guys, to tell you that you have to do something similar, but just take in mind what are like the main issues, what are the main stuff that won't work and they actually do work. So for example, I think that I kind of like this one, Space Turtles iPhone Tuft, and you clicked in here, and then you just take a look into how this design works. So this is the main image. This is the actual design, so how it's going to be looking here. This is the main case. So you can look for the same model using, let's say, for example, maybe not an iPhone, maybe try another Samsung Galaxy, for example. This is only available for iPhone, so it's totally okay. There's a tough case, there's a soft case, and the prices go a little bit lower than that. So with that being said, guys, now that I have an idea of what I can do, I'm pretty sure that you guys can do something related like this, or even better, using Sketches. And once again, this is totally for free application, so you want to just take that in mind. But in my case, I'm going to be using the design that I just used on my Discord server. So I'm going to go back here. I'm going to go into my Redbubble. I'm going to type my account. I'm going to type add new work. So once you tapped the upload a new work, it's going to be appearing something like this. So as you can see, I have my work already been uploaded. Here's the title of my image, Cosmo astronaut riding a killer whale, and here's a tag. You want to tap as much tags, I believe that you can have up to 15 tags, but you want to have just relative tags that are with your image, so people can find your image like more faster. So after that, here in the description, as you can see, how the description short and easy. If you don't know what to put into the description. You don't have to worry about that. I actually asked an artificial intelligence to help me with the description. This one is called ChatGPT. If you guys know what this one looks like or how this works, well, you might know that this one's really easy to use. If you don't know how to use that, go into chat.openai.com, and basically you can ask this platform whatever you wanted to, totally for free. So that's what I just asked for. Help me create a description of a design of this one, and boom, this was being generated for me. So I just copy and paste this into the description, and I can go into the phone part. The phone part is if you are just interested in to make a product of a phone case. You want to look out for phone case. As you can see, this is my image, and I want to go into the edit like this, and as you can see, I do have the design of the product. So it says drag the position of your image. As you can see, this is the position of my image. I can scale up or scale down depending on what I'm doing here. So I think that this one is great to leave it like that, and there we go. So once I do have this one successfully done, I'm going to make this a little bit more like this. If you want to choose a pattern, you can do that. In my case, I think that I just won't do this. In case here, availability, you want to import iPhone cases and Galaxy cases. Markup 20%. This is how it's going to be gaining a little bit of money. So go into the apply changes, and now you don't have to only sell these designs for phone cases. You can do much more than that. So all of the one that says enabled appears as a design. For example, I think that I kind of don't like this, so I just disable this one. Here's the large print clothing, so I can make this a little bit more big enough. But in my case, I think that this one, I don't like to see this kind of great view, so I think I'm just going to disable this. And I'm going to do exactly the same thing with the items that I think they can be looking great. So speaking about t-shirts designs, I don't think this one, my image, looks that accurate. So I'm just going to look out for something else. For example, mouse pads looking very great, pillows and toes looking very great, print cards and posters. I think I'm going to disable this one as well. And here I have the travel mugs. I do love the travel mugs, and I want to disable this one as well. And once you have your design already added with all the images, all the items that you want to work with, you want to go and scroll all your way down. I'm going to disable this one as well. So I'm just going to be going to this is not mature content. The product in your shop, you want to go into the optimized. And my design has been published now. This might take up to 15 minutes to appear, adding out this design, and here is my design, and down in here is all the available stuff that you can buy using my design. So this is how we can start working into Redbubble, and you don't have to be limited by just using cases of your phone. You can do much more than that. So with that being said, guys, hopefully guys, was a very useful video for you. So don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, guys, if you don't want to see more amazing tools for Redbubble. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys, and well, with that being said, we'll see you guys on the next video. I'll see you soon.